Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I wanted to share my entry to paper crafting with Enis's, um, what was her, her giveaway. I'm going to put the hashtags in my title. It is Memory Decks Madness. That's one hashtag. And then the second hashtag is Paper Crafting with Enis. I hope that's how you pronounce your name. I used this die set from my Memory Decks card. I don't have any of the newer ones, with the different shapes and all. I could have done a circle one because I do have the punch that punches these holes, but I figured, no, just use the die. So here it is. I made her a kind of a vintage all about me memory decks. So everything on here kind of, like, if you followed me a while, you know that, yeah, that's Tereese. Because I love the vintage look. I love inking. I love distressing. So it's just totally my style. So I added some lace in the background. There's a vintage woman. Um, Here's a ticket. We used to do tickets back in the day, or altered tickets. I just love tickets. It don't matter if we're altering them or not, but I love tickets. I love tags. I love doing tags. I love the vintage cameras, typewriters, airplanes, all that old stuff. I love teddy bears, so I had to put this in here. I had this in my stash forever, and I was going through my stash and I found him, and so I added it to here. Added another ticket. This is an actual cherry blossom stamp that I had in my stash. I put a word inspire. I stamped enjoy the journey. I used my my deco stamp that I use all the time. It's from Stampin' Up. I think it's called Itty Bitty Backgrounds, something like that. But I've taken it out of the set a long time ago. And then in the back, I made a pocket stamped in the back, added a word. Here's a rub-on. I added my information that she wanted, and I added some rub-ons to my information, added more lace. I love how the pocket turned out, and that is my memory decks. I love it. Love it. I love all the different textures and stuff to my memory decks. It's not very dimensional because I didn't want it to be. I've seen a lot of women here do these really dimensional memory decks, and I'm like, oh my god, it's just too. I like things flat so you can nail them. Yeah, and in her Enis's video, she said that she'd like a memory decks card and a set of embellishments. So here's my memory decks card. I went ahead and made her these two ruffles, and this is from Coco and Reno's Ruffles and Doilies. I just love this set. I used one of the borders. I just love it. I used, these are old Prima flowers that I took from my stash and added it to my ruffle, and this is here, and these are some wooden buttons that I had in my stash as well. And then I used some twine and be happy. From these are words from my stash. I have a bunch of them I've cut up, and when I need them, I have them all ready to go. All I have to do is ink them up and everything. This one says be true to who you are, and then I have this one says be happy. And I distressed with my uh, Distress Inks Vintage Photo and Walnut Stain. So I really love how these turned out. So yeah, that is my entry for Enis's memory decks and embellishment giveaway. Thanks everyone. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.